Tennis down and stuff. I'm gonna leave when I get to this. That's it.
Yes, sir?
Okay.
Didn't smell bad, no?
Smile. Not using. Smile, just smile.
You ready?
Good job, thanks.
Yeah, I just do that with this video. Yeah. Up here is next week.
No, he doesn't even.
Batis.
We know they can do this for we retake the show.
Yeah, efficient.
Snap sounds. Hello. Oh, what's up? Again, please. Alright, so at least we won't have a hard time putting a decent expression out of it. Jamming. Yeah. Perfect. Pedro, my favorite.
Yeah, that's right, because it probably needs to be.
I'm probably switch this on
So you just cut that up.
Right.
Right. Make sure he's right behind you.
Right, yeah. Give the mirror.
Yeah. Only even much harder.
I mean, this weight off, right? Can you communicate?
Headrelations. Don't affect this thing. One
I know where, but we will have
One headphones plugging in an empty mixing desk doesn't make any sense. No, trust me. It's like he's listening to nothing. Which is impossible.
I'm not sure to the cable.
So we're looking at this.
Yeah, that works with okay, thank you. No problem.
Problem. Alright, so my mission now is to hide you entirely behind this board. Right? I'll tell you if we're going for where it was before.
You want your files?
Why? If you have
Cables.
If you have 12 XLR,
You wouldn't need all.
why not? If Sheldon have 12 mics, you can run this. Alright. Give me that again. However, use your left hand on your headphones, right? So you can put it on your ears, right? Hello? Can you hear me?
A little.
Bubblicious. So use your left hand on your headphone, right? You're still into your music, so you still, exactly.
Yeah.
So bring your right hand this way across the mixing board and push a couple of those into up. And this. Because you're a professional. Professional.
Okay, professional.
Walking. Nearly. So one finger and then two on the next one. Yeah. Ready? On the count of 99. Stand by. Cosmetic is going to take a little bit of shmoney to put that together. Yeah, shmoney. Now, shmoney grab. Can you pull that rope string down, please? Thank you. So that I can place in the XLR cable. first of them is respect my privacy, please. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You know what you're doing, don't you? Okay, go.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but okay. Do you want you
You're graduating, okay?
Yeah, just a little bit more.
Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to turn very slightly to your left.
Here.
Yeah, take one tiny step towards camera as well. That was minuscule. I was looking at time today.
Tiny? Okay.
Haven't started yet. Save your laughter. Jamin. Wake up.
Once I wake up.
Put the camera close to Alright.
So, with that in your hand, yes. So your left hand is daintily. Alright, for the armpits, ready? Down. 1, 2, 3 for the armpits, go. And you're not looking at me, you're looking at
Over there.
the middle of the umbrella.
Sorry. Alright.
You should be sorry. Also, the way you're standing is awful. Thanks. Okay. That was good if you're doing it for the elbows. Let's do it for the armpits. Alright, slow down. You're doing way too much. It's selfish. Okay, it's self-centered. No, eat.
Like, it's possible.
I don't know, you might be. Most people tend to.
Yeah, check your email. Check your email. If you have anything else.
Did you graduate with honors? Just graduate. Turn a little bit to me.
Same pose?
You're celebrating. You're jubilating. You know that's a word, right? Jubilate.
He's like, what?
Yeah. Smell your nose.
Smell my nose?
Yes.
What does that even mean?
Taste your tongue. Look at your eyes. You don't want to tell them.
It's not fake.
Can you swing your hand? Okay. Then I throw a little complication into it.
Yeah. Ready. Why?
It helps being concentrated. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Tell me to shoot.
Shoot.
Tell me again.
Shoot.
Where am I?
Shoot.
Nice.
Only moment in the same girl to eat it.
Alright, so let's tell me the lights it up.
Tell us the lights is real, or you don't know what jamming is.
There you go. No, don't do that, bro. It's not even funny.
Alright, so how you did the lights it up now? Me or you did the lights it up?
Wouldn't it be better if, wouldn't it be
say?
better if you look at the picture rather than me?
No.
No, I'm serious.
Talk to you.
No, I'm saying look at the picture.
Don't be camera
Are there any of the pictures that can
I've
that
seen
he
all
can
of
put
them.
in his vlog?
I've seen all of them already.
No, as in, can he film the screen?
Yeah, I did that. No, I did that already. I did that
No,
already.
we need the pink.
No, so I'm saying
I
I
need
can.
the interview now.
No, so I'm
No,
saying I can
no, but
point
I'm
at the
saying I just
screen.
need to
You
know
can
that the
point
lights
that
it up.
thing at me if you want, but I can point at the screen and say.
Him shy. He want to talk to the computer screen.
Alright, I'm curious.
No, you need to say screen.
Okay. Speak
The
about
screen.
lighting setup will.
Alright, what are you saying?
Okay, so we have our key light, switch. Modeling light is on the channel. Could you turn it off, please? No, turn on the model. Yeah. That's good professionals.
Professionals, okay.
Alright, so we have our key light / main light. We have a soft fill. Right? We have a hard fill, which is powered down a little bit. It just gives a very, very slight thing. And we have all that. Have a nice day.
Oh, that's me. Wow.
So let's say.
Watch out. Just skin clean.
So alright, so main light obviously mainly lighting you. All these highlights here, up here, on the hair, on the shoulders, that comes from the kicker at the back, which is over the top of the backdrop. The combination of hard and soft for the fill kind of gives this nice, smooth. Still has a little contrast to it. You still see a little hard shadow on the glasses here.
Yo, that was clean.
Yeah, but that's mostly because of you. But alright, so this hard fill is like really subtle, but it does make a nice little difference. Kind of gives a little sparkle in the shadows. That's it.
Yeah, this look good. This just look good. I need to do like minor tweaks over there, so.
On what, the lights?
Yeah, no, when you're editing the photos, like that's minor tweaks.
So, well, when I'm editing this, I just make sure it's exposed properly, and I'd send the client basically everything in low res, and they'll go through, choose what they want to use, and then they'll probably come back to me and I'll work on them a bit more. So stuff like, stuff like this highlight is pretty bright. Obviously we can pull it down here, but I would blend this in with the file that they get so that the highlight on his hand is not too much. Stuff like this. No, I'm definitely nowhere close.
You're good at this.
Nowhere close. Just stuff like this, making sure that it's not actually blown out.
Oh, so you don't do like the advanced editing where people cut off this and cut off that. They just keep
You
it.
can do, but I don't
natural.
think I don't think you need to do any of that for this. But if we needed to change heads and stuff like that, we do that all the time. Tint the glasses a bit more, change the color of the tint, take out whatever is reflecting in your eyes.
That look nice too.
Calm down. Joking. Okay, have a nice day. Hi, this is Will, and he's a photographer.
You wear a hat they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3 happy meals for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you look.